Protest by the Congress organized at Jantar Mantar against at least 4 ministers of the BJP who are in the dock. Whether it's Smriti Irani in the fake affidavit case or it's Sushma Swaraj and Vasundhara Raje in Lalit Gate, and of course Maharashtra Minister Pankaja Munde also facing charges in a scam involving 206 crore rupees. Congress mounting the pressure on the BJP at centre, and Abhishek is tracking all the developments live for us. Abhishek, what's happening at Jantar Mantar at the moment? How is this protest by the Congress progressing?
Well, you see, this Congress protest is essentially against Smriti Irani because this is being led by the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee, the Delhi unit of the Congress Party. Ajay Maken is leading it, and they are targeting Smriti Irani and through her obviously the Prime Minister. It is one of the biggest Congress protests I have seen in last few times, and about 2,000 to 3,000 people protesting. Typically that is the size of a crowd you would see in a Congress rally, and this is a protest where you can see in a long procession led by Ajay Maken, these congressmen and women are protesting on the issue of Smriti Irani's fake degree. This is in the backdrop of a court in Delhi taking cognizance of a complaint that was filed against her for having filed wrong information in 3 separate affidavits in her various elections from 2008 onwards. And you can see these protesters sloganeering about the promises that were made about probity in public life by the NDA led by Prime Minister Modi in their campaign in the 2014 general elections. These protesters obviously believe that those claims of probity have fallen flat, and that is why this protest, as I said, a court has taken cognizance of the complaint against MHRD Smriti Irani, and these protesters want that following all standards of probity that the BJP had promised in its campaign, at least the MHRD should resign on moral grounds. Whether this is going to create any pressure on the government and lead to any changes, because it is going to have a dominoes effect. Here we are seeing protests against Smriti Irani, then there are protests against Vasundhara Raje because of her involvement in the Lalit Gate, as also of course the involvement of Union Minister of External Affairs Sushma Swaraj. So it is clear that the Congress is having this strategy of creating pressure points against the central government with organizing these kind of protests. How much it succeeds, how much of it is going to have an impact on the government, whether the government is going to respond to these protests in any manner, that remains to be seen, because yesterday only there was a press conference or cabinet briefing by number 2 minister in the Modi government, Rajnath Singh, and he very categorically said that there is no question of any minister resigning, that we are not UPA. So there was an element of sarcasm, and if that sarcasm or that brazenness continues, it remains to be seen how the Congress would also evolve its strategy.